I'm Ashlyn.
I'm Zach, and this is Sierra.
And we're traveling A to Z.
This week we're in Southwest Texas.
Made it to the Lajitas Golf Club and Spa, and it's home to the Blackjack Crossing Golf Course, which is famous in Texas. We are gonna go check in and then go explore the resort. Here's the registration office. When you walk into the hotel, there's a very large lobby with a sitting area and high ceilings with a chandelier. We're staying at the Badlanders Hotel, located on the boardwalk in Old Town Lajitas. The Badlanders Hotel features 15 standard rooms. All of them are on the second floor. 206, okay. Okay, nice little room. Nice king-size bed. A simple bathroom. We have a really nice balcony that overlooks the courtyard. Little sitting area. Hi, baby girl. Oh, we're so happy with the bed. We just made it to our room and resort, and they gave us a map, and so we are gonna go wander around the property. It looks like there's 3 different places you can actually eat. On this property, there is a pool that you could go swim in. There's also lots of different activities you could book through the activities desk, and they give you a brochure of different activities. So there's shooting, there's zip line tour, there's stand-up paddleboard, mountain biking, hiking, equestrian events, and so much more. The most famous thing here is for golfing, and they have the Blackjack Crossing Golf Course, and it is the best golf course around. It has won 9 years in a row as the best golf course in Texas per Dallas news station. We're not golfers, but it sounds like it'd be really neat with the contrast of the green grass with the mountains. So I would definitely check that out if you golf. So we're now gonna go wander around the property and see what's here. On the second floor that overlooks the balcony, they have a game room with checkers. So the hotel has 2 floors, the bottom and the second floor. There is no elevator, so if you can't take the stairs, make sure to book a ground level floor room because there's a lot of stairs. Ooh, boutique. Oh, there's paddle boards. Want to check out the outfitters?
Sure.
So, baby Sierra was denied ziplining. You have to be 9 years of age. Pretty much to do anything here. So, maybe in like 12 years. We got the fitness center. Got some weights and some bikes, 3 ellipticals, and treadmills. It's a cute little fitness center. So there's the reception. That's the other check-in from the other way.
We go see the restaurant, saloon, and bakery?
Definitely. Oh, this is cool. Right now there is 3 restaurants available. There's a pizzeria, there's a fancy restaurant, and then there's the saloon. There's a Thirsty Goat and Candelia, which is a fancy restaurant. You have to have reservations if you're gonna dine there after 5 p.m. And then there's a pizzeria also with a bakery. This is inside the Thirsty Goat. We had a really good margarita there. Candelia is the main restaurant on the resort site. It serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We ate dinner and breakfast at the restaurant, and it was all really good. They have a little fire pit, outdoor bar, and cornhole. They have a really nice, beautiful auditorium, and you just sit on the grass. I'm guessing they have concerts and stuff out here. This is the third restaurant that was open, which is the Boardwalk Bakery and Pizzeria. They sold baked goods and ice cream, and also takeaway items such as salads and sandwiches. And of course, pizza. Theater. Here's the spa. So they have their own airstrip here. So you could fly in here or have your own charter jet or whatever, land here, and then you can rent a car to go around Big Bend and then still enjoy this resort. Pretty neat. You could rent a Subaru at the resort to go drive around. To get to the pool, you have to cross the 170 to the other side of the road, and then there's more buildings over here and places to stay. The area by the pool is called the Calvary Post. So the Calvary Post is room 101 to 128, and they surround this whole area, and they have a fountain in the courtyard and then a pool on the other end. The pool, unfortunately, is not heated. In the summer, it'd be amazing when it's nice and hot though. Nice little pool. We're now heading to the lakeside cottages. You can see them all right in here. Super nice. It looks big. It looks like a regular old house. Over on this side, they also have a Longhorn Museum and the pro shop. This is the way to also go to the golf course. The Ivy House. We're currently at the Lajitas Restaurant, which is close to the starting of the golf course. It's not open right now because it's off season. Wow. This is the Longhorn Museum, and it's connected to the pro shop. The museum features over 1,000 Texas Longhorn mounts. Pro shop. That's the golf course. So this is the beautiful Blackjack Crossing Golf Course. There's the driving range. Vote for Clay. Clay Henry is a goat, and he is the mayor of Lajitas. How fun is that? So vote for Clay. Not sure what one's Clay, but that's really funny. I hope you enjoyed touring Lajitas Golf Resort with us. Join us next week as we go explore Big Bend. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures.